Hello friends, in my system suddenly the VLC is not working as expected. Sorry, it is not suddenly from the when I have installed Fedora 44. Okay, as of now the system is installed perfectly fine, but I cannot play the videos with the VLC media player. Let me show the error so you guys can understand clearly. So this is one of the video I am going to play with the VLC. It's showing only black. Okay, only audio only we are able to see. Not only for this video, every video will be like this only. So this is a codec issue. So we can fix this issue. Okay, so what do you have to do? So you have to make sure RBM free release installed. This is a repo only. I think it is already installed. Just now I have installed. Let me try once again. I will show that one. You can see this RBM fusion free release already installed. 44 release for the Fedora 44. Okay, now I am going to we have to install the two more codec library AV codec freeworld and VLC. Okay, once you have to completion of the installation. Okay, now if I go and play the video, where is VLC? Let me refresh. I don't know where. Oh, VLC is gone. No, it is there. It should be there, but it is not recognizing. Okay, okay, no VLC. Oh, it is removed. Okay, sorry, I did one mistake. Instead of install, I did removed. Okay, anyway, I'm going to install now. So, okay, just reproducing the error. Okay, you saw that, right? It is the video is doesn't work before. Then I have removed the package. Now I am going to I have installed the VLC with the codecs, library codec, and I am going to play this video. Now you are able to see. Right. So I noted this issue only from the Fedora 44 release onwards. I think this codec and all it is missed, I believe. Okay, library codec and freeworld. You have to be make sure RBM Fusion free release the repo needs to be installed. Then only these codecs will be installed. Then you can try. VLC definitely will work on the Fedora 44. Thank you so much, friends. We'll see you next time.